evening, folks. It's your boy Hat Free Speaks, and we're going to jump in today with Shinedown, the Sound of Madness. All right, this was performed on April 2nd, 2022. Now, folks, I've done a few reactions to Shinedown. It's an interesting group in the sense where they make music that's not ideally mainstream, but it does speak to the masses, if that makes sense. I mean, it's not mainstream, but it speaks to the masses. I'm not saying a particular niche. I'm saying it's one of them things. It's like you don't know a good thing until you've tried it. And I think Shinedown's a group where it's like you haven't tried a vanilla milkshake before, and they're like, you know it exists because you've seen it around and it's there for the mainstream. But it's like someone's got to tell you, like, hey, you got to really try that vanilla milkshake. Oh, really? Okay, I'm going to take a look. Ooh, I never knew that existed. That's really yummy. You know what I mean? So I think Shinedown's one of them. Excuse my reference to like milkshakes, but I'm just trying to make a point where they're not mainstream in the sense where they're sort of trying to attract everyone, but they are for the masses, if that makes a sense. What I mean by mainstream is they haven't sold themselves out. Okay, let's put it that way. So folks, if you're new, be sure to bang that subscribe button, notification bell, give the video a like, give it a share, because we're going to jump in today with Shinedown, Sound of Madness. First time listen, first time reaction, first time watching, first time everything, and I'm getting to share that with you folks literally for the first time. So let's jump in without further ado. Whoever's got that front seat at the concert, thank you so much for allowing this reaction to exist. Because of your video, it feels like we're sat there at the front stage now. Who's the bloke here? Look at this gentleman here. Oh my goodness. I like the fact the group is actually sort of moving around on the stage. So the singer's going to the back, interacting with the crowd there. Guitarist is coming to that side of the stage. They're all sort of covering all angles. But this gentleman here is just making me laugh. Like, who is he gonna stop? If anybody wanted to run on stage, with all due respect, who are you going to stop, mate? Unless you know some ancient Shaolin like maneuvers to take out mans. Who are you gonna stop, man? Because if that crowd wants to run up, you better be calling for backup. That's what I'm saying, bro. Wow. Wow, that was very rock and roll. Didn't expect that. Wow. Be good to each other. That's what you're saying. Be good to each other. Be good to each other. You know what I mean? Pre-order their album now. I forgot when you said it was going to be out, but yeah. Anyway, but that quality of that recording was absolutely amazing. I have to admit, I'm like, damn, son. Damn. How did somebody... I wonder how much a ticket would cost to sit up close like that. Almost getting a personal performance from the group. I was like, damn. Looking up. Looking up. The camera was like that. Look, we're looking up. Amazing. All right, cool. Yeah, Shinedown. I didn't expect that. I did not expect that sound. That roughness. I think I did a reaction called Get Up. And I found the group to be very sort of inspirational and positive. And I guess a shining light in the world of darkness we have. But this song right here, bloody hell. It was more like... yeah, it was everything and anything that could emphasize the nature of rock and roll. We even had some pyrotechnics thrown into the mix. All right, folks. So that was my reaction. Absolutely gobsmacked with that. I was excited. I was like, come on, where's the next song? So they held it together. And yeah, man, it was over before I knew it. All right, folks, make sure you are staying safe and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.